We will this morning talk about ACI 31814. This is what it looks like, came out last October. And this edition of ACI 318 has been adopted by the 2015 IBC, which has been out actually longer than ACI 31814, although not too many jurisdictions have adopted the 2015 IBC yet. So what this means is whenever your particular jurisdiction adopts 2015 IBC, which will happen in California on January 1 of 2017, ACI 31814 will be law within your jurisdiction. So that has not happened so far, at least on a widespread basis. But as time goes, more and more jurisdictions will be adopting 2015 IBC. Today, we will talk about significant changes in ACI 31814. These are changes from 31811. You probably have heard by now that ACI 31814 is a completely reorganized document. Beyond Chapter 3, the first three chapters, no provision is where it used to be in ACI 31811. That's about the best way I can put it, and all of this will take a lot of getting used to. So I will devote quite a bit of the seminar to the organizational changes, but I don't want to go overboard because those are organizational after all. The rest of the time will be spent on technical changes, of which there are also quite a few and rather substantive ones. So, and that will be it. I do not propose to go into the 2015 IBC unless there are questions, and that is mainly because of time limitations. So we will start with organizational changes in ACI 31814. The first thing is that the last time ACI 318 was reorganized before this time was for the 1971 edition. And then through multiple editions, through 2011, the organization remained unchanged. In that time, obviously, the document grew, as all of you have seen and known. Material got added and so forth, but the basic organization remained unchanged. And that has now changed in a big way in 31814. Before we go to the changes, let us look at the organization of ACI 31811. We had introductory chapters, general requirements, notation and definition materials. And then at the beginning of the book, we had materials and construction related provisions. So chapter 4, durability requirements, chapter 5, mixing, placing, curing, chapter 6, formwork, chapter 7, detailing of reinforcement. All those were upfront before the design chapters even started. Then there were two chapters for which I couldn't find any category other than just other. Those are chapters 8, analysis and design, and 9, strength and serviceability requirements. Then we had behavior-based chapters, a chapter on flexion and axial load, a chapter on shear and torsion, a chapter on development and splice length. From behavior-based chapters, at one point we switched to member-based chapters. We had a chapter on two-way slabs, a chapter on walls, a chapter on footings. And then a long list of chapters that fall in the other category,